Located in Broward County, Florida, Coral Springs is a vibrant city known for its beautiful neighborhoods, thriving business community, and a high quality of life. Like any other city, Coral Springs experiences the need for repair services to address various issues that can arise in residential, commercial, and public spaces. From home repairs to automotive services, electronics, and more, this article explores the diverse range of repair services available in Coral Springs, USA, and highlights the importance of these services in enhancing the lives of its residents and restoring functionality to essential systems and equipment. Home repair services. 1.1 Plumbing repairs. Plumbing issues are a common occurrence in homes, and Coral Springs offers a range of professional plumbers who can handle everything from leaky faucets and clogged drains to sewer line repairs and water heater replacements. These services ensure proper water flow, maintain hygiene, and prevent water damage. 1.2 Electrical repairs. Skilled electricians in Coral Springs provide electrical repair services, including fixing faulty wiring, repairing circuit breakers, installing new outlets, and addressing any electrical malfunctions or safety hazards. These services help ensure the safety and efficiency of electrical systems in homes and businesses. 1.3 HVAC repairs. Coral Springs experiences a hot and humid climate, making efficient air conditioning systems essential. HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, repair services help maintain and repair air conditioning units, heaters, and ventilation systems, ensuring comfortable indoor environments. 1.4 Roofing repairs. Coral Springs is no stranger to heavy rains and occasional storms. Skilled roofers offer repair services to address leaks, damaged shingles, and other roof-related issues. These repairs protect homes from water damage and maintain the structural integrity of buildings. 1.5 Appliance repairs. From refrigerators and dishwashers to washing machines and dryers, appliances play a crucial role in daily life. Repair services in Coral Springs specialize in fixing malfunctioning appliances, extending their lifespan and saving homeowners from expensive replacements. Automotive repair services. 2.1 General auto repairs. Coral Springs has a wide range of auto repair shops that offer comprehensive services, including engine repairs, brake replacements, transmission repairs, tire replacements, and routine maintenance. These services ensure safe and reliable transportation for residents. 2.2 Collision repair. In the unfortunate event of an accident, Coral Springs has auto body shops that specialize in collision repairs. Skilled technicians can repair dented panels, replace damaged parts, and restore vehicles to their pre-accident condition, providing peace of mind to car owners. 2.3 Paint and detailing services. Automotive repair services in Coral Springs also include paint and detailing services. These services can restore the appearance of a vehicle, remove scratches and dents, and protect the paint from further damage, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and value. Electronics repair services. 3.1 Cell phone and tablet repairs. With the increasing reliance on smartphones and tablets, the need for cell phone and tablet repair services is growing. Coral Springs has several repair shops that can fix cracked screens, replace faulty batteries, and address other hardware or software issues. 3.2 Computer repairs. Whether it's a malfunctioning laptop or a desktop computer, Coral Springs provides computer repair services to fix hardware problems, remove viruses, recover data, and optimize system performance. These repairs ensure that individuals and businesses can continue their digital operations smoothly. 3.3 Television and home theater repairs. Coral Springs also offers. Thanks for